Leaders of nearly half the world's population and a third of its GDP came together for the 7th BRICS summit at Ufa in Russia. The day began with the opening ceremony, followed by a meeting between the 5 leaders of emerging economies and the BRICS Business Council. Addressing the Business Council, the PM underlined that the new development bank has become a reality and is headed by eminent banker KB Kamath. He said that he welcomes the setting up of a dedicated BRICS info-sharing and exchanging platform and hopes for the conclusion of a pact on customs administration for trade facilitation. Speaking on the BRICS financing arrangements, the PM said he hopes that entrepreneurs will utilize them for export credit insurance and innovation. A roundtable restricted interactive session between the BRICS leaders was followed by a working luncheon, which in turn made way for a plenary session. At the round table, the Prime Minister said that UN reforms can lead to better and faster mitigation of any global challenge.
इस वैश्विक संस्थान को 21वीं सदी के लिए अगर उपयोगी होना है तो इसकी रिफॉर्म्स अनिवार्य हैं और इसकी जल्द से जल्द करने की आवश्यकता है.
The Prime Minister stressed on combating the menace of terrorism.
हम अपने समय की मुख्य सुरक्षा चुनौतियों आतंकवाद और उग्रवाद पर प्रभावकारी ढंग से कार्रवाई करें. हमें एक होकर के इसके विरुद्ध लड़ना चाहिए. बिना समूहों और देशों, स्पॉन्सरर्स तथा टारगेटेड कंट्रीज के बीच बिना विभिन्नता किए हुए यह हमें ब्रिक्स में यूनाइटेड नेशंस और उसके सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल तथा अन्य कमेटी में करना चाहिए.
Enunciating 10 steps for the future, the PM proposed new initiatives for the BRICS family. They included a BRICS trade fair, railway research center, cooperation among supreme audit institutions, digital initiative, agricultural research center, state or local governments forum, cooperation between cities in the field of urbanization, sports council and annual sports meeting, the first new development bank project in the field of clean energy, and a film festival. There was consensus at the BRICS summit that all countries need to work together to prevent volatility in the global economy.
Global economy is fragile and that everyone needs to take action to ensure that the growth path is not in any way disturbed.
The BRICS summit concluded with a declaration that gave prominence to cooperation in the field of UNSC reforms, the fight against terrorism and drug trafficking, cooperation in the field of information and communications technology, reforms in IMF and World Bank governance structures, cooperation in WTO, and the fight against climate change.
The UFA BRICS summit came to a successful conclusion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi proposed his 10 Qadam. Meanwhile, India got big achievement at the BRICS summit with UFA declaration calling for reforms in UNSC and reforms in Bretton Woods institutions like IMF and the World Bank. Next stop for the BRICS summit will be India. With camera person Puran Chand Joshi, Siddhant Sibbal, DD News, Ufa, Russia.